I think the future for Partners in Project Green is really built off the foundation of what we've done. We've been involved in many programs in the last 3 years.
As the organization's evolved, there's been a new focus and refinement of the strategy that will lead to success and measurable results in the long term.
We're quite excited about the opportunities that PPG represents in the sense of us being given an opportunity to share our programs with the corporate participants.
I'm most excited about PPG being a catalyst for driving continued sustainable economic growth in the area.
We need everybody working together to conserve water, energy, and resources.
I think I'm most looking forward to participating in one of the performance area committees and making a big difference for the stakeholders in the PPG area.
I'd love to have a biogas plant that takes advantage of some of the high-quality organic waste that's generated within the area, and we could find a way to turn that into a combined heat and power project, a district energy project, but something really innovative and relatively large scale.
The real opportunity now to start making a real tangible differences to the businesses in the zone, driving value for their businesses, but also making sure that we're doing it in a way that's sustainable. We've just come up with a new strategic approach. We've just come up with a new way of measuring our impact.
I would say the new approach that we are about to take as it relates to measuring performance, as I believe it brings a greater focus to the work that the Partners in Project Green will be undertaking in the future.
My hope is that every business in the region takes sustainable action to green their operations.
If you have a sustainability strategy or a sustainability plan in your company or agency, you want to be a part of Partners in Project Green.